CCTV
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo ki kot bat ki materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na benda ka neat
Uwai usam larang ba belatip kerteng kumuba Ebenezer Laloo ubala arpusan senam kerta ulajar ngai nado kalai potrik ujemang arja pendrio ha ukuru ablapha da Superintendent of Police ke East Council suba VXM une usam larang ba udan ya keren yang kebjerong sanpot lain chi kadur kemat kebasyai bat belun bat kamrit met bat usnyo ubalam kedor melumala une usam larang ba ukren da ketien penar bat kasi bat layu I khaddu bo phong da sopti rong blue ba kle rong stem bat rong le Pong da kapatlon tracksuit rong yong bat le bat ki slipper ki barong blue yong ki pulit ki kerpat ikino ki bayo I yaw new samlarang ba pakin sngoba ban Pyntip syaki Thanat ki badan hajan ne syaki police control room ha uneu namba nreu not non kendai we kendai nreu saw nyo kendai ne ha ka missing desk crime branch ha number pra lai nyo ar pra ar iwe saw
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.